Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Central Parents account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Central is a secure cloud-based school management system powered by Microsoft. To log into your Central's account as a parent, you can simply download the Central Parents application on your mobile device and launch it open. Enter the school's name in the text box and type in the name of the school you are trying to log into. On the next page, you'll be able to see the login area for the college or school that you've selected. Now, enter your email address or your username in the first text box. Right after you do that, go to the password field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by tapping on Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end to reset to a new password. After filling in your username and password, tap the login button in order to log into the institute that you've selected as a parent. That is how you can easily log into Central Parents account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.